Leads. I want more leads. I need more opportunities. If only I had more at bats, I would be so much more successful. My business would be growing. You ever feel like that? Just give me those leads. But you know what? You don't actually want more leads. You want more qualified leads. You want more interested leads. You want the right people coming to you for the right reasons. Now that's not easy, but at Snappy Kraken, we're able to look at hundreds of thousands of campaigns that are active for advisors and figure out which ones are doing that best. And would you like to know what the top performing lead gen campaigns are? Well, guess what? I have the data right here. So, number one, hidden tax opportunities. That's the number one performing topic, taxes. Number two, estate planning. Number three, recession survival strategies. Those are the top three lead gen campaigns. Now, I won't tell you 4 and 5. If you want those, you have to download the State of Digital report. But here's the point. If you want to generate leads, you better be out there with the top performing topics that generate leads. Don't be out there with lead magnets and campaigns that aren't going to generate leads. Lead with the right topics, which are taxes, estate planning, recession survival. For this year, for last year, as long as we're worried about recession, those are probably going to be your top topics. And people with money care about taxes and estate planning. So put your best foot forward. Want to know more about what's working for lead gen? Download the State of Digital report.